Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, my sister is going to try on one of my hip pads. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, the reason why I decided to make this video is because most of you have been asking me, especially my small size viewers or small size clients, they've been asking me if they can wear a medium size because I didn't have the small size in stock, and they wanted to know if they wear a medium size, if it will look exaggerated in their outfits. So in this video, my sister is a small size, so she's going to try it on. I'm a medium size. If you haven't watched this video, I'll leave a link in the description box down below of me trying the hip pad. Again, I'm a medium size, my sister is a small size. I've tried this shapewear with my elder sister. She's a plus size. So if you also want to watch my video, you can check the link in the description box down below for medium size and plus size. So guys, as you can see, she is a small size, and the shapewear that she's wearing right now, it's medium. My size, as you can see, it's medium. So I just wanted her to try it on so that you guys can see for yourself, especially my small size clients. This is how it looks on her. Just comment down below, guys, if you feel like it looks exaggerated or if it's something that you can try on. And another question that I've been receiving from most of you is if the shapewear will show in the outfit. If you watched my first video of me trying on the shapewear, I've explained in details the things to expect when you wear this shapewear. So if you wear it in a multicolored outfit like this one, it might not show, but then if you wear in plain colored outfits or thin fabric outfit, the fabric might show, the hooks might show, or the shapewear might show. Not only just these hip pads, even any shapewear, if you wear them in multicolored outfit, they might not show. Even like the corset, you can wear corset in a multicolored outfit and it might not show. But then if you wear in a thin fabric or plain colored outfit, it might show. So again, guys, just comment down below if you love these hip pads. She was really enjoying herself. She loved how she looked. Though again, guys, just know that this is not permanent. Like when you wear hip pads, they don't give permanent result. This is something that you wear, you take it off, and then your body goes back to how it was before. So if you want to get the hips, if you want to get curvy, the main solution is just to work out. Corset, you will see results, and then that is if you wear it often. But something like a short shapewear, it might not give you the permanent result. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.